And look,
he's got a tag in his hand.
Yeah, he have a tag in his
just
hand.
put it right there.
Right there.
I mean, it's a damn gift bag.
Yeah. Well, so the milk might be more expensive than the gift tag.
On June 8, 2024, at approximately 4:06 p.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police were dispatched to a Walmart department store on a call of a shoplifting in progress. They arrived on scene and met with loss prevention. There, they were allowed to watch a camera feed as the suspects walked around the store, changing out price tags on expensive items, replacing them with price tags from cheaper items, with the hopes of paying a much lower price at checkout. Unfortunately for the suspects, loss prevention officers were on to their scheme.
Where are they at?
They're over by
Grocery.
now.
That's him.
They've been in here forever. We waited.
And then Jeremy.
I've had this.
Yeah.
So were they swapping tags on?
A lot of the toys, they swapped the tag on the gift bag.
Why?
Beats me.
He doesn't want to pay for it.
Where's your little mouse thing above her?
This one?
He's doing
Yeah.
something.
I don't have that camera on here.
No.
This is one of my cameras.
It's scary every time I see these.
The camera?
Yeah. Every time I'm like, oh my gosh.
See if they have a fucking blackhead on those.
I'll tell you, a little bit ago I saw more than I need to see. Like, it's sometimes it's not that good. It's just, I don't need to see this.
They can't really fit that much more in the car.
Is it
He's
cooler
just
loaded up?
trying.
Why isn't he just wheeling the fucking cooler? Has wheels on it, dude. Fucking nerd. With your freaking glasses strapped.
He's not. He's more than a nerd.
They did like old school where they went and got a roll of tape and they're like taping the barcodes on. I have not seen that in a long time.
Why would you take that? There's not a sticker.
No, I would just get the sticker ones.
No one else. It's already sticky. And
Look, he's got a tag in his hand.
Yeah, he have a tag
Yeah,
in
you
his
just put it
hand.
right there.
Right there.
I mean, it's a damn gift bag.
Yeah. Well, so the milk might be more expensive than the gift tag.
That probably is.
But maybe he have food stamps.
Almost definitely.
There we go.
He's
take
going to go switch the cooler. Oh, you guys are so cute. Seriously?
Nice.
Just like, hello.
So just switched the tag on the cooler. I'm missing a great show
Do
here.
we have a bunch of stuff in the cooler already?
Oh,
We're not sure about the cooler, but they took and switched the cooler itself, so
And everything.
he's gonna probably pay for like 90 cents for it.
Why would you not drag the cooler?
You know what?
I said the same thing.
I did. You know, that thing has wheels on it. What a nerd.
I'm going to call for Duma so no one
Nerd
bothers him.
is much
Hey,
nicer
Siri,
than
call
I
for
was
Duma.
thinking.
What was that?
Said nerd is much nicer than I was thinking.
These are not the kind of like nice nerds.
So where are they going? Grocery side?
Looks like they're gonna go grocery.
Alright.
Hey, Faduma, honey, I need a favor. There's a guy with a red tank top and a guy with a cooler going
let's head over
for
that
the
way.
grocery. I don't want anyone to stop them.
They're coming to you.
they or maybe they are coming GM. So whenever they're heading towards GM now.
They want the belt to
So
shut down.
they took
They're
a
gonna
switch.
beat you.
I don't want anyone to stop them. We have police here,
Tell
so
Ron
I'm
to stop
gonna
them.
stop them the second they pass last point.
172 to 170.
Okay, let's see where they're going.
No, but you go for main roads.
Wait,
No, they're gonna. Or are they just gonna walk?
I mean,
No, they want the belted.
he wants the belted. He wants to use it. Oh, he's going 37.
Honestly,
No one
just,
stopped them.
Just
Don't
let them go.
let them go. Yeah, let him use it. Let him use it. Yeah, let him use it. Just tell him it.
One second.
Whoever is there, don't let anyone talk to them.
172 to 170.
And I don't want him to. Yeah, I don't want him to see. I don't want. Just if you want to walk towards him and just tell him like,
Hey,
sorry,
don't
I'm
come in this
sorry.
way. I have to stay outside. I'll check them out.
Just let them go. Don't. No one bothers them.
What'd you say?
I don't know.
I don't know, I covered this. Yeah.
Yeah, so.
I didn't copy.
Yeah, just tell them. Don't.
We'll just let them go.
Let them.
I don't know.
Just let
Just
them
call
finish.
them.
Yeah, just don't let anyone talk to them.
She's coming up read right now to Bethel. So she's got a
Okay. You ready? Lean back here.
What's their total so far?
I don't know, I have my phone. You have my phone. In the handheld bag.
Oh, well, at least they're using the cooler
They are
Yeah.
using the cooler now.
to load
They probably need to
stuff.
scan the door.
They did it ring up as a small cooler.
Oh, and they're dumping stuff out of it right there.
I wonder if he carries the cooler again.
Oh,
He uses
oh, he
the
absolutely
wheels
does.
this time.
They're really hustling.
That's my point, yeah.
What's your hurry, bud? We're already here.
Oh gosh, fumble.
Okay. I got some extras, bud. All you had to do was ask.
Sorry, I'm clearing from my guard. 30 incoming.
Oh, you got the tight ones.
Yeah.
Yes, I can see.
The purple
Feel.
ones. See the purple ones right mine. I like them. They're loose. Loosey goosey.
Just get a big size when they're.
Yeah. Even the black ones are the bigger size. They're still skin tight when I'm sweaty trying to put them
He
on.
didn't like some finished soon.
Yeah. Oh, they've been doing that. They've been dumping a lot of crap.
Tags that he ripped off. Alright, they're done scanning.
Here we go.
He did not know what to do with that
Mhm.
baby formula. Really? Okay.
Haagen-Dazs.
Oh, yep, Haagen-Dazs. Yep.
I know that label. I'm very familiar.
He's like, I know.
I know. I'm very familiar.
It's a birthday party.
He's real nervous.
Happy
But they're
birthday,
not
I
scanning
know.
right
It
now.
is a food card. It was a wood card.
Is it?
Yep.
Man, you can get people's pins and pins.
Oh yeah.
You can read their IDs. They pull them out.
And the text messages. Alright, they're
It's
going
going
out.
out.
Sure, don't see it. All right, we're coming out. Yep, no, be good. Pack.
Alright, they're moving, passing bathrooms.
Are they on the far going far side?
Yeah, mom.
They're going far. They're going on the other side. Little midday run. Nice shot.
your hands on your back. Put your hands on your back. Any weapons on you?
No, not at all.
Don't go anywhere yet. Hold on, don't go anywhere yet. I know.
The men were placed under arrest for theft, and during a search incident to arrest, the man in red was found to have been in possession of illegal narcotics. Both suspects were taken to Columbus Police Headquarters, where they were interviewed by a detective. The man in the gray shirt had a warrant for his arrest. The man in the red shirt was released, and the case was sent to a grand jury for consideration.
Okay, Jamie, we're here. Okay, hang tight right there. Okay, so before we go into the jail, is there anything else on you? Any weapons, drugs, anything you're not allowed to take in the jail? Okay. When you get up to the door, I'm going to read that sign. Just confirm that you don't have anything on you. If you do, there'll be another charge, okay?
You take the marijuana out, Cole?
Marijuana?
You didn't find it, did you?
Huh?
You didn't find it?
Where was it at?
Wasn't very much.
What was it?
In the glove box.
Yeah, it was in there. You're allowed to have it.
That's why I got my name on it and everything. Okay, that's what I thought.
The K9 guy found it.
I figured. Thanks a lot, guys.
Yep, you're right,
Appreciate it.
Take care.
Hey, you gotta.